This is the Camper King Monte Carlo, and as you probably worked out for yourself, this is based on the VW van. So it's the 5 metre short wheelbase, got the 150 horsepower 2 litre diesel engine in it, and it's a really smart piece of kit. There's some lovely design elements to this. I really like this sort of front low spoiler that are put on around here, and that black is then matched in these sidebars down the side. You've got the black alloy wheels, you've got the Camper King stripes on it. In fact, these are vinyls, so if you didn't want those, I guess you could probably take those off, but I actually think they look really smart. And then you've got the transporter logos there as well, of course, being a VW transporter. Also got the pop top on this one, again, as you probably noticed for yourself. But we're going to take a wander around, show you around the outside, and then we'll take a look inside as well, of course. This one here, in case you're wondering, that is for the 240 power. So if you've got 240 volt hookup in a campsite, for example, then you can get 240 power straight into the vehicle through that. We've got tailgate here. This one opens up, as you might expect, like so. And then we've got in here is a bit of storage down underneath here. There's also a small table here, great for a laptop or something like that. I'll show you where that goes. That's the support for it. LPG tank goes in here as well. So, bottle I should say rather than tank. That lives down in there. That's for your cooking. Again, we'll see that in just a moment. And other things you've got in here then is just little bits of storage. Also things like your circuit breakers and that kind of stuff is all tucked away neatly in there. And then this seat, you notice it's got these cutouts here. That's because this turns into a bed. We'll see that again a bit better on the inside, but basically this whole thing just slides forward and folds flat, and that is so the headrests can go into here. But that'll make more sense in just a minute when we go inside. So let's drop that one back down. And we'll open her up like so. Now this I really like. They've taken the colour coding from the outside right through into the interior. It looks really funky, really modern, and indeed, if you have a look, even the stitching on the seats is done in a colour-coded yellow. That's fantastic. Now this seat here very easily folds into a bed. Basically, there's a lever there, and then we pull it forward, as you can see, and you can see now how that drops down. So you just keep pulling until it drops flat, and you've got your bed. And then it slots back again like so. We've got seat belts at the back here, of course, for when you're driving. If we head across to this side, we've got lighting controls over here. Also the water pump is controlled from here. That little chap up there is diesel fired heating. So you have actually got heating in here as well. 3-pin sockets, as you've probably figured for yourself. And then this one here is a little USB socket. So you can put USB charging into there. And that one's for your phone. If you pop your phone on there and it's got inductive charging, it'll charge it for you. There's some neat lighting in here. You've got a little strip lighting down along there. Also it's tucked away underneath here as well. Curtains, of course, for the windows. And then your cooking is here. So hobs underneath that one, sink underneath there, nice little worktop as well actually, and then oven as well. I mean, it's very compact, but it's all there. Fridge is there, 12 volt fridge, and then this is storage down in places like this. You've also got it down underneath here as well. So quite a lot of storage tucked around everywhere, but there's acres of space in here. If you look at it across here, there's just so much room in here. Now that table will slide. You can see there's a track along here, so you can bring that one back. And then that one there, that little table that we saw, that was on a sort of on a support that came out, that allows you to put a table here, great for working, of course. Drop your laptop on there, and you can sit here. This seat swivels round, as you can probably tell for yourself. And then we come right up to the front. We've got the driving position here. These have got drop-down armrests on them. I like they've done this embossed emblem across here, and again you've got the yellow stitching to match the outside. It's really cool. DSG gearbox, so it's automatic, and then you've got the usual sort of phone controls and entertainment and all that kind of stuff as you'd normally expect, and then the usual VW dashboard. And then finally, the last thing that we've got here is the fact that it's got this pop top. So if we come right up here, I've actually got full standing headroom in here at this end. It's brilliant. But it also means that you can pull this fella here down, and you've got another bed, so you can sleep 4. You can sleep 2 up here and then 2 with that seat drop down. And then this is a mesh. So you've got kids up here, that could go up. You haven't got to worry about them toppling out the front in the night. Absolutely fantastic. There we go, that slides back up. And then of course with these handles, this whole thing just drops down. You can see the gas struts for it there. Drops down flush, and away you go. They've even put little uplighters in here. Very nice indeed. And that is about that. It's pretty simple, but pretty effective, I think. There we go, let's come back out. Taking a look from the outside. And there you go. Massive thanks to Dolphin Motorhomes. They've organised this tour. Huge thanks as ever to you for watching. Hope you like the fact it matches my jacket, and we'll catch you on another one of these real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.